TVR 4.5 V8, category N, non-structural, graphite grey, 18-inch TWS alloys. Really pretty colour. It's got grey Portland hide interior in fabulous condition. Bear in mind the car's, I think it's a 98 or 99, I forget, put it in the advert, is 25 years old. Outriggers have been replaced. I'll do a chassis and suspension video after this. It's got some damage on the back and just up near where the hinge is. Very simple repair. If you want us to do the fiberglass work up to paint stage in primer, 895 quid. And there's some damage on the inside of the arch there as well. Roof's in good order. Looks like it's had a new rear window and a retrim at some point recently. .5 V8, very sought after combination with a T5 5-speed gearbox. All of the chassis on the top, spot on. Serpentine engine. Absolutely spot on. I believe the oil pressure is oil pressure. There we go, ticking over at 30 and a bit, which is pretty good, about average. Stainless steel dash, 11 dials and bits and bobs on it. All of the carpets are good. Been a really well kept car. I would think that not on the list would retail between 16 and 19 grand. Not big miles, 70 odd thousand miles on it, so it's not been far. Lower end of low mileage for these. I'll do one of it driving. TVR 4.5 chassis and suspension video. I've just jet washed it, so there's a bit of water around. Whoever's had the car has put some sort of anti-corrosive paint over it. All of the chassis solid, no signs of rust. It's had outriggers fitted to it, which is the Achilles heel of the Chimera. Everything looks good. Same on the driver's side, new outriggers fitted. Centre section of the chassis is all good. No rust at all on the outriggers. They must have been done and really well kept by whoever's owned it. I mean, it's a really clean car pre-accident. Centre section of the chassis, all absolutely solid. This has got once again got a really thick coating of some sort of rust prevention stuff on it. Looks like the pads have been done recently, the discs are good. Perfect outriggers. Someone's done some work on the steering arms. It's got power steering. Let's have a look. No, it's got a manual steering rack, not a power steering rack. Some damage on the inside of the rear driver's side arch. Boot floor's okay, it's got a small crack there. Very simple repair. All of the chassis and suspension is very good.